Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure cellular data is on and your iPhone has the carrier hotspot feature enabled. Once done, open Settings and tap Personal Hotspot, then turn Allow Others to join on so the network is discoverable. Make a note of the Wi-Fi password shown because you'll need to type it on your laptop. If you prefer a wired or low-latency connection, make sure you have a Lightning to USB cable ready or enable Bluetooth pairing instead. Now connect your laptop. For Wi-Fi, open the Network menu, select the iPhone SSID, and type the hotspot password you noted. Once connected, your laptop uses the phone's data. Alternatively, plug a Lightning to USB cable into both devices, then tap Trust on the iPhone if prompted. This creates an instant, stable connection. If you choose Bluetooth, pair both devices in their Bluetooth settings and confirm the pairing code matches on both screens. Make sure Wi-Fi is off on other networks to avoid confusion. Finish by verifying your laptop shows the iPhone as the active network and open a web page to confirm internet access. If pages don't load, make sure cellular data is active, then toggle Personal Hotspot off and on and reconnect on the laptop. This often clears authentication glitches. Also check that your carrier hasn't hit a data cap. If speeds are slow, disable background updates on the laptop to conserve your allowance. If nothing works, restart both devices and try USB tether.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.